Alrighty, it's Wednesday morning. I have not done any videoing since we got here Friday afternoon. Yeah, it's been too freaking hot. It's 10 minutes after 8 and it's already pushing 100 degrees here. It's been between 115 and 120 all week. So all we've done is just sit around in the house. Nothing to record. That and I just wanted to totally relax. I hadn't even edited. I still got last Thursday and Friday to edit. So the truck is finally done, allegedly. We will find out when we get there. We got a 3-hour drive to get to where the truck is. We're packing everything up right now. Hopefully it's fixed right this time. If it's not, I think World War III is going to break out. So we're almost all packed up. Got most of the stuff in the car. Got it set up like this. Alizé can get some water. There's a bunch of stuff back here. And we still got to put the rest of our groceries in here. I'm sorely tempted to say just chuck the dang groceries and we'll get all fresh. Oh boy. What a day. What a day. Well, actually, what a week. 9 days. Ever since last Monday. So hopefully things will get better. We're not going to take a load out today. We're going to get there. We're going to check the truck out and everything. And we're going to make ourselves available tomorrow morning because I'm still going to be up for several hours and I can't be up and then drive. So we shall check back in later. Well, it's Wednesday evening. Obviously, we're back in the truck. I checked all the diagnostics on the dash. It's not showing any error codes. We're going to run just over 2 hours up to the Flying J at Tejon Pass. Next to Tejon Ranch. And we're going to see how it does going up to there. We do not have a pre-plan. I told them not to plan us a load for tonight. So basically what it is, we're going to use the drive up to there, make sure everything is perfectly okay. Plus, I got very little sleep last night. And I've been up all day.
Because he was watching a movie with my niece.
Because I was starting to work on getting myself back on schedule. So, I'm no good to drive tonight. I can drive, you know, the couple hours up there just fine. Beyond that, you know, I'm not going to be able to do a full run. So we're going to see how things go. Might go eat at that Mexican restaurant tonight. But we're going to veg tonight. Told them to find us a load for tomorrow. Hopefully all goes well. But we found a big scratch in the leading edge of the hood that was not there, or that we have never seen before. And believe me, we look at the truck regularly. I asked them to replace all the batteries. They didn't replace them. I wasn't charged for it, but they didn't do it. What they did do came out to $3,443.97. So, combine that with the $2,100 and something that we paid before, we're looking at $5,600 in repairs. 9 days out of work and being very upset with this service department at this dealership. TEC Fontana. Very, very unhappy with them. But we'll see how things go. So far, it's looking good. Okay, we made it to the Flying J. No issues. Let's check our diagnostics. View active faults. Engine ECU, no faults. Transmission, no faults. Vehicle, no faults. Climate, no faults. So, data log, you be quiet. Uh, 8,932.5 hours on the engine. Total engine revolutions, 547,222 revs times 1,000. 547,222,000. That's a lot of times for that engine to go around. So, we are here at the Flying J in Lebec, California. Tejon Pass is right there. It's windy. Hopefully the wind dies down before the sun goes down. I want to fly. I hadn't been able to fly all week because of the wind or other factors. Hotel was too close to the airport. Not allowed to fly in parks. That kind of stuff. So now we're gonna go have dinner at the Mexican restaurant right over there. Dang, dude, your truck's loud. Here we walk. Look at her. Look at her nails.
A match. A match. That way he can't lose me. He can't say he can't see me.
This is Lebec. It's actually a pretty area around here. It's just windy, 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 windy.
Always.
And over there on the other side of that truck, not this one driving along, but that one way over there on the other side of Chevron, is the restaurant we're going to. This is the Flying J, complete with its own Motel 6. Got a Denny's here. What in the world's this? I've never noticed this before. Here's the junk they dump on the road when this mountain freezes over in the winter. So let's see what this is, other than a big black bird. It's a nothing. Touch screen for information. Touch. Touch. Oh, I guess no info. Huh. Don't that look a little bit ridiculous? Oh well. Now I got to figure out how to get across the road.